This video will help you to understand how the decision support tools can help you make decisions about care and treatment of the person with dementia. The decision support tools have been developed to help you to manage concerns highlighted by the EMBED-Dem. Each tool makes suggestions to help guide your care. You may find it helpful to complete the EMBED-Dem questionnaire first. Whenever possible, this should be done with the person with dementia or with their family carer, who knows them well, to establish concerns. The concerns raised will each relate to a decision support tool, which are simple to follow and will help you to develop a plan to manage the person's concerns. It is best to start with the concern that is affecting the person the most. You will find that a lot of symptoms overlap. So it might be that putting one plan in place will improve several concerns. However, it is important to go through each decision support tool for each concern identified by the EMBED-Dem to ensure that nothing is missed. It is important that you include the person and their family carer. Even if the person lacks capacity or insight, it is important to include them as much as possible and clearly communicate all decisions to them and their family or advocate. It is also important that plans are discussed with the wider team depending on the decision to be made. This may be the GP, a community nurse, or staff in a care home setting. You should use the decision support tools to follow up any concerns identified from an EMBED-Dem assessment. You can also look at the decision support tools without completing the EMBED-Dem to support and guide care and treatment. They will always be available to look through on the app. It is impossible to cover all potential concerns in the decision support tools, but they should help to address the person's main ones. If the concern is not addressed by the decision support tool, you should raise it to the appropriate person, such as a GP, clinical staff, or senior staff in a care home setting. We suggest you look at the Raising a Concern video. Use the decision support tools for ongoing management of symptoms or concerns. Remember, you can access the decision support tools at any time.